Russian drone slams into a residential tower in Galați, injuring civilians inside a NATO border city. Hours later, Bucharest doesn't just issue a strongly worded protest, it launches a historic €5.7 billion military overhaul. Backed by emergency EU funds, Romania is rapidly locking down Europe's eastern edge. This is an overnight metamorphosis of the Black Sea flank. At the core is a €3.3 billion pact with Germany's Rheinmetall for nearly 300 Lynx fighting vehicles. Delivered in 46 rapid swap variants, these modular armored beasts are designed to absorb and break any mechanized ground assault. But heavy armor is useless if the skies bleed. To counter cheap Russian loitering munitions without dropping unexploded interceptors on its own cities, Romania is deploying Rheinmetall's Skynex turrets. Loaded with 400,000 rounds of programmable ammunition, these systems create an inescapable wall of tungsten shrapnel, a brutal pinpoint solution to the drone threat. The fortress extends directly into the contested waters of the Black Sea. Armed with €1 billion naval injection, Romania is securing heavy Corvette-class offshore patrol vessels. By moving to build them locally, NATO is planting a permanent, self-sustaining warship hub right on Vladimir Putin's doorstep. Bucharest is also weaponizing the brutal lessons of the Ukrainian meat grinder. AI-powered vector reconnaissance drones are taking flight. Armed with advanced processors and infrared terrain mapping, these drones are built to cut right through Russian electronic jamming and feed lethal coordinates straight to artillery units. The message to Moscow is deafening. The era of accidental airspace violations is over. Backed by European cash and NATO doctrine, Romania is no longer a mere weapons transit route to Kyiv. It has forged itself into Europe's heavily armed, impenetrable eastern shield.